Hey guys, so today I bring to you the newly branded multi-tool by Fine. This is the Multi-Master 700. Their multi-tools were previously known as the Multi-Master, Multi-Talent, and Supercut. So now you will just recognize them as Multi-Master 300, 500, and 700. So this tool is great for any homeowner, DIYer, or professional contractor. They sent me this tool to give them their feedback. So I tested it on my front windowsill. I had to cut out an old piece of wood and put in a new one. So check out the video and stay tuned at the end for my feedback. Check it out. Next I am going to start to cut away the old windowsill and remove it as smoothly as possible. I'm going to put on my safety glasses and I'm going to get started. Excuse me, my son. I need some space. Okay guys, so you watched the video. Multi-Master 700 absolutely crushed that windowsill in under 2 minutes, no issues at all. So some highlights I want to leave you with is it has the 18-volt lithium-ion rechargeable battery with a 3-hour battery life. You have the brushless motor and variable speeds from 1 to 6, and you have star lock capabilities for your attachments, making it easy to change attachments with one hand. No longer having those pieces that attach to the blade and you possibly break it or lose it or whatever. And so for as powerful as this battery is, the tool is super light, and that is super important. The only thing that I would probably change or add to this tool would be a light. For those of you out in the field, you know that it's very nice to have a light on your tool when you're working in dark, small spots, and it could be very hard to see. Overall, Fine makes the Ferrari of multi-tools in my opinion. You can tell when you hold it in your hands. A lot of people have recommended them to me in the past, and I am happy I finally got my hands on one and I'm able to use it. So the new Multi-Master product line launches January 2021. So definitely check it out, get your hands on one, try them out. And if you have tried them out in the past and you have any questions or comments or concerns, please drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts on the Fine Multi-Master products. Anyway, thanks for watching and I will see you next time.